What we need now is to look at trials where MRD has been used as an endpoint. And we have several trials now looking at patients, analyzing the patients at the end of treatment, and before maintenance. If patient is negative for 2 years, they will stop versus continue. And we will see if we will have a PFS or mostly overall survival difference between these two groups of patients. So we definitely need to have these results, which probably will be available in 2 years, to say, okay, in my practice, I do perform MRD, I do again 1 year or 2 years later, my patient is still negative, I can stop the treatment and follow the patient, which is really important. It is important for the patient because even if maintenance is quite well tolerated, you do always have some toxicity. It is very expensive, and so if we can stop, of course it will be good for the society. And if the patient relapses after, of course we will be able to use again the drugs you received before. Instead, if you continue until relapse, these drugs are dead. So I think it will be in the future really important.